This is Public Policy, and I am your peer, Ty Haralson. So far in this course, we have explored and learned about several different frameworks. Today, we will be discussing the Institutional Analysis and Design, IAD, framework, and its historical background, core aspects, and application to the Bentonville Grappling with Mental Health project. To begin our discussion, let's talk about the historical background, goals, strengths, and the application process of the IAD framework. First developed in 1971 by Eleanor and Vincent Ostrom, the Institutional Analysis and Design framework emphasizes the institutional arrangements and structures of organizations. There are four main foundational concepts of IAD. Number 1, man as the decision maker. Number 2, the world of events. Number 3, evaluative criteria. Number 4, decision-making arrangements. Although initially developed in the early 1970s, the IAD framework would not be published until 1982. Since that first publication, Eleanor Ostrom has written several analyses and adaptations to her work. These more recent pieces by Ostrom elaborate on how the adaptability of the framework allows for greater application in diverse forms of research and study. The IAD framework was designed to accomplish certain goals. Rather than focusing on the explicit or de facto rules in an organization, the IAD framework analyzes the implicit, underlying rules of an organized body. By doing this, the framework takes into account both quantitative and qualitative variables. Furthermore, IAD constructs a method which allows for the comparison of a wide variety of models, disciplines, and studies. Of course, this allows for a diverse range of use in a multitude of fields. According to Eleanor Ostrom, the framework is particularly applicable to the social and physical sciences. The framework also allows for the synthesis of the work of multiple participants, even those not directly involved in the policy situation or policy outcomes. Finally, the IAD framework emphasizes the analysis of variables, assumptions, and their positive outcomes. Now, let's discuss the strengths of the IAD framework. It is apparent from our prior discussion that the Institutional Analysis and Design framework can be applied to a diverse array of fields. But what exactly are the strengths of the framework? Its first major strength is its stability and usage in current research. Unlike other frameworks, IAD is not limited to use strictly within the United States, as it can be applied on an international level. The IAD framework also offers a foundation for models and theories, provides both political and administrative contexts, and follows a comprehensive approach. The focus on context is particularly important for the Bentonville Grappling with Mental Health project because both political and administrative contexts are intrinsically involved in the policing process. Furthermore, the comprehensive approach allows for a simplified process when applying the framework to not only the Bentonville Grappling with Mental Health project, but to all the projects that we are working on. Utilized for policy analysis, research around common pool resources, meticulously crafted studies, and large-scale projects, the IAD framework has a simplified application process, which can be extended to a multitude of fields of study. The application involves application and operationalization of institutional grammar, developing partnerships among public agencies and departments, entrepreneurship's position in collective action, and the role of institutional incentives in the relationship between aid agencies and organization and recipient states.